Hey guys, welcome to Fun with Faaris. Today I'm teaching you how to make this Lego airplane. And it's very easy to make. And I decided to use different color pieces because it's more unique. If you want, you can use the same color pieces or just different color pieces. Alright, this plane is really easy. There's really sturdy landing gear. And also this has planes, wings are really big. There's a really big cargo bay, a lot of people inside it. I like this plane. Alright, if you want to build one of your own, watch this video and see. Alright, this airplane has a massive wingspan. It has a really big body. And it has good landing gear. Alright, this airplane is really nice. It's the nicest airplane. It's the nicest homemade airplane I've ever seen. Alright, let's just start with the build. Is this airplane piece, this you need, this body piece, and then you need this window piece. I don't have the same windows, but it's okay. And then you need more windows, four, and then you need more windows, but you need 4 windows, so yeah, about that. You need 4x2 pieces. Then you're gonna clip them together with another one of the 4x2 pieces. Start with them.
Remember guys, it's gonna be a 3-round thing. You can keep on doing this thing for as long as you want, but I'm just gonna do it for 30 minutes. So, ready? Okay, guys, you can do as many pieces as you want, but I'm just gonna make this really for a long time, and let's continue. Keep on doing this pattern for as long as you want. Pretty big.
Okay, then you guys want to add these top pieces for your base. They're the same 4x2 pieces. Okay, guys, and then the next step you need is this small chair. You're gonna put it in the front, just like that. Then you're gonna get a person that's gonna be the pilot of the plane. Then you're gonna get more people and put them also. Okay guys, then we're gonna add one of these pieces. Okay, now you're gonna get one of these and put it over here, and then get one of these and put it. Alright guys, as you can see, we're done with the base. Now let's move on to the top of it. Alright, we're doing the top of it. Alright guys, you're going to be continuing adding these same pieces over and over again. Alright guys, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, next step is to working on the back of this airplane. You need one of these kind of pieces, as you can see, and then you need the 4x2 pieces. Connect them together. Then you're gonna get more of the 4x2 pieces. As you can see, there's a little hole over there, but that's okay. Okay guys, now it's time to add the fourth layer of the base. I said the fourth layer. I need to say the third layer. Okay, guys, now it's time to add the third layer of the base. Continue doing this to both sides. Now that we're done doing the third layer, let's move on to the top of the base. We still need the 4x2 pieces. Continue doing this for the whole airplane. Okay guys, we're done now with the top of the base. Now we just have to add the back piece right like that. Okay guys, now we're done with this part, the top of the base. Then, now we need to add one of these back wing pieces on the back. Now, actually, let's take this off. Let's flip it first so we can just add the landing gear. All right. Okay, guys, now let's add the landing gear. You need this type of wheel for the front. Then you need one of these kind of wheels, like this go-kart base type of thing. Gonna add then we need 3 of these type of wheels. Remember guys, the landing gear won't break because it's a really sturdy landing gear. Okay guys, the next wheel you need to add is one of these kind of wheels. Then you're gonna put them close to the go-kart, but not too close. Because one of my pieces fell. You need to add the wheels, but these should be, all of the 3 wheels should be all on the 3 sides. Okay guys, flip the plane back over. Now you're down to landing gear. Now add the back wing. Then add one of these pieces. These long board type things. Then add one of these type of wings. I'm gonna make the wingspan however I want it. You can make however you want it. Okay, I'm gonna make it now. Okay guys, I'm gonna start making the wings now. You guys remember, you can make the wings however you want it, but I'm gonna make them like this. I'm almost done with my wings. Now, but we're not really done with my wings. I'm not really done with my wings. So like, for now, I'm just gonna add the engines right over here. Okay, guys. Now we need to add these 2x2 pieces on the edge, so it looks like the triangle thing goes in there. Alright, guys. Now you're done. Oh, guys, I was playing with my airplane. Alright, guys, I hope you liked and subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Guys, stop the spread, stay home, stay safe.